Okay, since bese sibekile ke lama labels wethu awu2, let us check ke manje ukuthi iziphi izinto ke manje ekumele sibhale la. Let's go back to our sicela ukuzuma la kancane. Okay, so ama input awu2. Okay, car registration number ake sibize nge reg number. Okay, sizothi car reg number lena, and then bese kuba nani ne car owner. Okay, le car owner sizoyibiza ngani? Sizoyibiza nge name. Ake sithi nje name, this one, and then la bese sithi car reg number. Okay, let's go back to our code. Okay, you will change this one, just click this one. Okay guys, ngenzeka ukuthi omunye akazi ukuthi how to bring this here. Okay, you just uza lapha kulo label, ufike uthi left click, and then ngesinye isandla sakho bese uyahambisa, you just drag and drop. Yes, that's how you do. You just drag and drop. Noma ufike ubeke mouse yakho here, and then bese uthi right click, bese uthi copy, and then bese uya place anywhere in this screen, then bese uthi okay, mawufika la ufike uthi uphinde ufike la uthi right click, and then you paste. You see? Yeah. So now we'll remove this because it's a ding. Okay, I guess edit la we said this one is car reg number. Okay, you click here, just one click, ungenzi double click, just one click, and then you come here. You come here, kuma properties. If you don't have my properties here, okay, uza kuma views, besuza views. Okay, fanele ivele, kumele kuvele properties. If ingavela lapha ufike uze kuma views, and then bese uyachecka yavela ama properties, bese uyaclicka khona. Okay, so okwamanje sizoclicka lapha, and then sizo edit lapha ku text this label. Okay, ku this label sifuna kube i-car reg number. Okay, bese press enter mase uqedile, phinde futhi ubuyeke la khona uzo edit ku text, uzothi this is owner name. Okay, what else futhi sidingayo? Okay, lawa amagama just azovela, but sifuna thina ukuthi abhale because they say the app must take the car registration number and the owner name as input. Noma batheni bathe must read lezinto lezi as ama input from the user noma from the customer. So finally i-customer izithype phansi lezinto lezi, so we need a text box here. So we're going to come back kuma toolbox wethu, bese sizofuna in text box, just drag and drop. I guess to copy this one and paste here. Okay, bring it here, besikhulise kancane lena sithi ukukhulisa kancane. Okay, so now sekumele sishintshe lezi zinto lezi. Okay, so lama text box lapho khona i-user izoshaya khona i-registration number yayo yemoto, and then bese shaya igama layo i-user here. So okwamanje kuzomela sizoshintsha futhi ilokhu njani la. Okay, remember lapha ilapha ke manje kuzo i-user izoshaya khona i-information, but okwamanje asazi ukuthi izoshaya inumber ekanjani. So ngeke sikwazi ukuthi sibhale something here. We can't write anything here because if you type something here, then more press enter, and then yavela la, and asifuni lonto because thina siyazi information ezoshaya i-user. So asibhali lutho here ku text, just siyanyuka siye ku ngathi ayivelile nto. Okay, cela ukuthi sishaye la, sifuna bani thina, sifuna data bindings name into kanjalo. Okay, here ku data bindings, kodwa ke thina sizoshintsha lapha ku name only here ku text box. Kulo text box lo, this is like siya declare here, this is like a variable name. this one is like a variable name esizoyisebenzisa kwi-code. Okay, lo txt stands for is a short form of text. Yes, short form of text. Txt what? Let's say maybe reg number. Let's say maybe it's reg number. Okay, press enter, and then again sizo-edita nalapha nakhona la sizoma data bindings name, bese then sizoshintsha la ku text box 2. We're going to say txt owner name, then press enter. Okay, so lamagama lawa akaveli la ku screen. Why angaveli? It's because amagama lawa esizowasebenzisa kwi-code okwamanje siwadingi here ukuthi avele la. That's why futhi ku-text singabhalanga lotho, because if ubhala ku-text ngezansi lelo gama lizovela here, and asidingi thina ukuthi livele la because asazi ukuthi izoshaya i-information. So thina sidinga only i-information ezoshaywa i-user. Leyo information sizoyiseva kunali igama. So leli gama leli silibhala as i-variable, lizo container le information ezoshaywa i-user here. Ngaphandle kwalokho if ungashintshanga lapha izoyisebenzisela ama-default name wayo, but masofika kwi-code uzoba confused because kuzomela uwazi lawo magama ukuthi wona waphi. Okay, after that ake sicheck-ke futhi ukuthi inenye futhi ke sidingayo after the owner name. Okay, then enye eshodayo i-type of the car. Okay, kulama type of the car kunama options. Iwaphi ke lawo ma-options? Kune SUV, une sedan noma i-hatchback and i-truck. So lama options mangaphi? 4. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we said ukuthi lama options lawa njengoba kuthiwe i-user can only select one car type. Okay, lokhu kusho ukuthi we can only use ama-radar button. Okay, let's go back, and then ama-radar button. Okay, kodwa ke yini igama lale variable name lazoseva khona lama car type? Sizoyibiza ngani? Sizothi nje i-car type. Okay, let's go back to our code. Okay, so ngicela ukuthi la sisebenzise ini ama-group box. Ngicela sisebenzise i-group box. Okay, let's check group box ayiveli. Veli group box. Okay, I'll go to all forms, and then let's check the group box. Where are you? Okay, Nancy, drag and drop. Okay, I guess it will be maximize nayo kancane. Okay, so now we need to change leli gama lelo group box. Kumele sibhale ukuthini? Kumele sibhale ukuthi car type here. Okay, ukuze ushintshe leli gama leli ufuna ukuthi click exactly here kule group box, and then besuza lapha ku data bindings igama leli silisebenzisa kwi code. So nalo singalishintsha masithanda, singasho ngisithi grb car types, but ke ngeke selidinge for code leli gama leli, ngeke selisebenzise. Nizobona ukuthi why. Okay, lapha ke igama leli lizovela ke la group box 1 lapha ku text. So uzobhala ukuthini la? Uzobhala ukuthi maybe select car type, press enter. Okay, nazo ke lavela ke igama lethu. So now yini sidinga lama radar buttons here, la nama options of lama car type. So kwenza kanjani ke manje? We'll go back to our tools and look for ama radar buttons, look for radar buttons. What is it? Okay, nanti radar button lokuqala. Okay, ake silishintsheke nalo. Sizothini ke la? Sizothi SUV. So lapha ku text igama leli elizovela exactly la kulo radar button 1. Uma sishintsha la ku text sizothi SUV. Mawuthi enter liyavela la. But ke we need ke manje igama i-variable name lapho sizostorisha khona le information noma ngathi lapho sizoinstorisha lapho, because igama lesi sizolisebenzisa kwi-code. So kumele sizoshintsha la ku data bindings name here sizothi ke rad. Lo rad stand for radar button. Okay, zofana lo rad omncane rad, and then sithi SUV. So kumele silibhale libe related to this type of the car. That's why sithi rad SUV. Okay, leli gama leli sizolisebenzisa kwi-code. So it's like we are declaring here. Serve as a variable. Yes, okay, then enter, done. Ake siyicophe lena. Let's just copy and paste. Okay. Yini ke i-option yesibili elandelayo after SUV is sedan. After sedan is hatchback. Okay, let's go back and change this one. Okay, this one is sedan. I'm going to say red. Sorry. Red. Sedan. Okay, this is a text here. Text here 2 sizothi sedan. Press enter. Okay, again copy and paste, and then change again here. This is hatchback. Okay, so change the data bindings name. Right of button 1, I'm going to say rat hatchback. Press enter. Okay, ngeke khuphula kancane la. Okay, and then copy and paste again. What is this? This is a truck. I'm going to say rat truck. This is a rat truck. Let's change the name to text. So this is truck, and press enter. Okay, so now these are the options azovela ke manje kwi-user. Okay, ngicela ukuthi ngithi kwi-substitute kancane because of space. Okay, box yami. Okay, these are the options ke manje azoselectwa i-user lapha kuma cut-up. Uzoselecta only one option, akwazi ukuselecta onke oyi-2. Okay, let's go for our additional services. Okay, the car wash offers additional services. Okay, ngicela siphinde senze nenye group box futhi lapho khona isihloko is about additional services. Okay, lama additional services mangapi? Awu-3. So sithe lama additional services i-owner ingakwazi ukuwaselecta ngokuthanda kwayo, if futhi ingathandi ngeke iwafake. So mangapi lama options? Awu-3. So sithe sizosebenzisa ama checkbox. Okay, let's go back to the code. So sizoyibeka nje eceleni. Let's search for checkbox, this one, drag and drop. Oh sorry, singithe sizoqala sifake i-group box. Okay, qale ngicheck i-group box. Okay, qale sibeke i-group box. And inside this group box we're going to have a checkbox out 3 as our options of additional services. Okay, so here sizoshintsha leli gama leli, just click inside this group box and then bese uza lapha ku text, uzoshintsha ke ku text izothini. We are going to say these are additional services. Press enter. Okay, nakhona la singashintsha ke futhi lapha. I'm going to say GRB add services. Okay, press enter. Though lona ngeke silisebenzise kodwa ke for ukuthi sibe safe for your understanding. Okay, then ngicela ukushintsha igama la. Okay, noma let me copy this, copy and paste again. Okay, okay, ngicela ukushintsha ke lamagama. Where is text? Okay, text yokuqala we said this is polishing. Press enter. Okay, polishing wethu uyavela. Then now we need to change this one with data bindings name, and then this is going to be CHK polishing. polishing and press enter.